Begin by adding gelatin powder to cold water and setting it aside to dissolve. Then, place egg yolks in a bowl along with vanilla extract and sugar, and beat until the mixture turns pale and creamy. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl. Next, add the egg yolk mixture to the milk and heat over low heat, constantly stirring until warm and well combined. Be careful not to let the milk boil, approximately 5 minutes should be enough. Remove from heat and add the dissolved gelatin, mixing well. Let it cool. Whip the breakfast cream in a bowl until it reaches room temperature. Gradually add a small amount of the cooled milk mixture to the whipped cream, and gently fold until combined. Add the remaining milk mixture and mix until smooth. Divide the mixture into 3 equal parts. Leave 1 part plain. Add cocoa powder to the second part and mix well. Strain it to remove any lumps. Instant coffee to the third part and mix. For a stronger coffee flavor, add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder and mix well. Allow to cool. Grease a pattern sheet and place it at the bottom of a mold. Pour the cocoa mixture into the mold and place it in the freezer for 20 minutes to slightly firm up. Pour the coffee layer over the first layer and return it to the freezer for another 20 minutes. Finally, add the plain layer on top and refrigerate for 8 hours or until completely set. Remove the dessert from the mold onto a serving dish, remove the pattern sheet, and decorate with dried flower petals. Enjoy your delicious Bavarian cream dessert.